What up guys, welcome back to the channel. As you guys have seen in the last few videos, I've gotten myself a Toyota 4Runner. Probably put around 5,000 miles on it already. But let me tell you, the biggest pet peeve I have with this car. Alright, I got myself a 2018. And the biggest problem I have with this car is the tire pressure monitoring system. All right, if your tires are low, you get this little indicator light right here. And on normal driving, you don't get much else besides this screen right here. It doesn't tell you the pressures of the individual tires. All it gives you is this screen. So it doesn't matter if you have a tire that's low. You'll just have a random indicator here, won't tell you which tire, and you basically have to go outside and check it out yourself. So two things, all right. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, they required all the vehicles to have TPMS sensors since 07 and 08. And they actually did a study saying that 40% of people who actually got out of their car and looked at their tires couldn't tell which tire was actually low. So I'm conducting this test, all right? I lowered one of the tires to 25 PSI, and I'm gonna be giving the winner a hoodie and a hat if they are the first to comment if they are the first to correctly comment which tire is actually low. So normally you see your door jamb, you look at your door jamb to see the normal tire pressures. For the 4Runner, it's 32 PSI cold. So now I've dropped one of these tires to 25. Is it this one? The driver rear. The driver front. Poking out too much. Driver rear. Driver front. Passenger front. Passenger rear. While you guys continue to guess, let me show you my wife's car. It's a 2007, okay? Let's see if I got the keys. Alright, get into my wife's car. It's a 2007. Put the key in. And let's scroll through the menu. This actually tells you the tire pressure of each individual tire. This is a 2007, okay? My car has 11 years on this car, but it doesn't tell you the individual tire pressures. All right, today we're gonna fix that. If you guys have seen in the previous videos, I used to have a Honda Pilot. That was a 2003. So needless to say, that car didn't have tire pressure monitoring system. What I have right here is a very simple tire pressure monitoring system. Got for around 30 bucks off Amazon. Basically plug this into your cigarette lighter and put these caps on the tires. So let's quickly go do that. I have a little bit of soap in this spray bottle here. You just want to mist this. And what that does is tell you if you see any bubbling, that means there's an air leak. Which tire was let's go see which tire was actually low. Alright, take this, pop it in here. Sorry, I'm doing this one-handed. There you go. Sure you guys can see that. So which one of you guys guessed correctly? Look at that. Now you guys can set, you basically can set this. Basically this can tell you the temperature, and you can set, if you hold it down, you can set the PS, you can have it on PSI, bar, max pressures. Yeah, basically just, I think 44 is good. And then let's go with, you know, like maybe 27. Oh, this is temperature, and yeah. Just leave it alone, and then it'll reset. So basically, that's it. Now I know that I have to fill up my driver front wheel. I'm gonna go do that. And yeah, man. There we go, guys. The biggest pet peeve I have with the Toyota 4Runner. How can you have a car that goes off-road, that people air up, air down, take it through the dirt, the sand, the rocks, and not have a tire pressure monitoring system that tells you the specific tire pressure of each wheel? Now I know that some people try to disable the tire pressure monitoring system because it's annoying, but this specific tire pressure monitoring system, you can put this on your aftermarket wheels. You can still try to disable the factory one, because the factory one really doesn't do anything. This is easily interchangeable. It'll help keep you safe on the road. Alright guys, that's the biggest pet peeve I have with the Toyota 4Runner. This tiny tire pressure monitoring system that you get on Amazon solves all my problems. It basically tells me the tire pressure of each individual wheel. That way if I'm driving and my actual tire pressure monitoring system goes off, I know which wheel it is. And if I'm ever off-roading and I decide to air down, at least I won't forget to air up. And if I air down and the tire comes off the bead, this will let me know before I get into bigger problems. Anyways, hopefully this video has been helpful for you guys. Again, this is just my biggest issue with the 4Runner. Thank you guys for watching to the end of this video. If you guys want to see more 4Runner content, more RSX 350Z Evo content, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, And we'll see you next time. Peace.